Hi there, this is Fixed It. Here's a simple tip if your denture gets painful. Quite often you get a sore part on your denture on the roof of your mouth. You can usually feel it and it feels like there's a little ulcer forming. Now you may think it's due to an ill-fitting denture, but that isn't usually the case. What it is there's developed a very small nick in it. So if you listen carefully, you can hear a click. And basically something's caused a minute little nick, and what happens is that the skin in the roof of your mouth gets pushed into that nick when you're wearing the denture, and as the denture moves it irritates the nick. Now you might think that what you're going to do is to get a nail file and file it, or sandpaper and file it, but don't do that under any circumstances. The reason is you'll just create more scratches and more problems. What you need to do is to get a piece of cutlery that's got a rounded handle, okay, stainless steel rounded handle, and then what you're going to do is you're going to burnish that part. And what burnish means is you're going to rub this against it and you're going to do it very quickly, and what that will do is it will heat up that area and it will smooth out the part that's got the nick in it. So as I do this you'll hear it. Okay, so now what I want to do is to just, as quickly as I can, just keep burnishing that part. Coming across is fine because it won't affect the rest of it, but what you're doing is you're burnishing away the groove, and there you have it. There's no click, it's absolutely smooth. It's that simple. Leave your denture out overnight so that any injury on the top of your mouth has had a chance to settle down, and then your denture should be fine. But don't use sandpaper or a nail file. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel. If the video helps you, please press the super thanks, which is the heart below. Don't forget to check out my other videos. There's over 400 to select from, and I'm now going to put my denture back in because I can't talk properly. Thanks for watching. Bye.